Let's start with yesterday's publications. The data on weekly crude inventories in the US showed a decrease in oil stockpiles. As expected, oil prices remained at their peak levels amid such bullish data. Still, there was no sharp rise in crude prices. Why is it so? In fact, the commodities market has been overbought lately. Let's have a look in more detail. After an extended rally, Brent quotes have stopped at the level of $76 per barrel, so the price began to pull back from this resistance level. Yet analysts are sure that the upside momentum has not lost its steam and is still relevant in the market. This is also confirmed by falling crude inventories. However, to head for new highs, Brent will need to hold above $76 per barrel for a day or two. But this is very unlikely since the market is overheated now. So the price is expected to stay between $75.30 and $74.80 a barrel. As for WTI crude, the situation is mixed here. On the one hand, it's currently trading at its peak levels. However, WTI has been stuck in a price channel between $72.80 and $74.10 a barrel. What's the best trading strategy in this case? The best option is to trade on a breakout of either boundary of the trading range. It's also possible that WTI will slide below $73 per barrel. As for the dollar-ruble pair, it managed to recover from its previous correction. As a result, the price declined to 72.35. If the pair holds below 72.30, it may well continue the downtrend. In this case, the quotes may move towards the area of 72.15 and 71.75 rubles per dollar. At the same time, the euro has been losing ground against the ruble. The mark of 87.30 serves as a resistance level for the pair. What happens if the downtrend persists? It's possible that the euro-ruble pair will head towards the levels of 86 and 85.80 rubles per euro. Yesterday, the ruble and oil were trading in close correlation with each other, but it seems that this did not apply to the ruble and the US dollar. In other words, yesterday's active rise of the greenback should have led to a depreciation of the ruble. However, this did not happen. Instead of falling, the ruble was mostly gaining ground, although on a very small scale. It seems that the ruble found support in the industrial production data in Russia that showed an acceleration of growth from 7.6% to 11.8%. So, a robust economic recovery was an advantage for the Russian ruble. Yet, it is a well-known fact that Russian macroeconomic data is not of great importance to the ruble. So, most probably, the optimism from yesterday will have a short-lived effect. According to experts, the ruble may start following the trajectory of other currencies soon, which means it will start to decline. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.